Hello everyone. Now in this video we'll learn how to create a translator using Python in three simple steps. So first of all you'll need a library that is translate. So we need to just install it. Pip install translate. As I already have it, so would be requirements already satisfied. It will take few seconds or few minutes. And there it is. Like you can see requirement already satisfied as I already have it. So now let's import it. So from translate we need to import translator. Okay, now we'll just create an object of the translator function, and here we'll specify from which language we want to translate, for say French and toLang. From lang and toLang are the two attributes of it. Like we need to specify from which language to which language. I'll say English. So now print, and this will translate what we write here. Like I'll just write end. In English it means India. So let's see. Here we get India. Let's try with some other words. Let me write that bonjour. It will be hello sir, hello mister. Yes, we get it. Let's try with some other language, for say Spanish. So I'll just write it over here, Spanish. And we'll just take T because here we have Spanish language. So let's write hola amigo. And then we get hello friend. So this is it, a translator using Python in just basic steps. Write this out and check various other languages, like you can convert to and from those languages. I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching.